The Captivator EMR device is specifically designed for ligation-assisted endoscopic mucosal resection of the upper gastrointestinal tract. This video will serve as a way to show you the ease of setup and use. Upon opening the packaging for the Captivator EMR device, you'll find several different components. These include the irrigation adapter, the handle, which will snap onto the scope, the ligator cap, the plastic sheath, which will insert into the biopsy port, the Captivator snare, and last but not least, a convenient pathology kit. Step 1 will be to attach the handle unit to the endoscope. Start by removing the clips from the plastic sheath. Make sure to straighten the endoscope. Then, feed the sheath through the biopsy cap, advancing through the working channel of the endoscope until it exits through the distal end. Make sure to firmly seat the handle into the biopsy cap and snap the scope fastener onto the endoscope. Next, we're going to remove the sheath to expose the tripwire. Remove the plastic sheath from the scope by pulling it from the distal end of the endoscope until it is fully detached and the metal tripwire is visible. You can go ahead and discard the plastic sheath. Moving on, now we're going to attach the ligating unit to the tripwire. First, attach the suture loop of the ligator cap to the loop on the distal end of the metal tripwire by threading the suture loop through the tripwire loop, then threading the ligator cap through the suture loop. Now, we want to attach the ligating unit to the scope. Remove the slack in the line using the S-shaped knob by turning away from the scope. Make sure to stop turning when the soft proximal end of the ligator cap is almost touching the distal end of the endoscope. Do not use the blue handle to tighten. If desired, apply lubricant to the distal end of the exterior of the endoscope sheath. Carefully line up the arrow on the soft proximal end of the ligator cap with the working channel of the endoscope. Secure the ligator cap to the endoscope by twisting or rocking the softer proximal end of the ligator cap while pushing it onto the distal tip of the endoscope. The ligator cap should be pushed until the tip of the endoscope is up against the inner rim of the ligator cap, with the endoscope visible over the first band. It is important to ensure the ligator cap is fully in place. To ensure correct setup, you should have a clear, unobstructed view. Be sure that there are no blue bands in view, no stops in view, and no cap seams in view. Next, remove the slack from the tripwire. To do so, turn the S-shaped knob to take up the remaining slack until the white suture is visibly taut. Do not use the blue handle to tighten. Lastly, carefully remove the shrink wrap from the ligator cap by pulling the marked tab from the soft end of the cap without disturbing the ligator bands and threads. You have now completed your preparation for use. Pathology kit steps. If pathology is desired following pseudopolyp resection and retrieval, follow standard institutional guidelines. Retrieved tissue samples may be placed in the Captivator EMR pathology kit per standard hospital procedures.